Drop by drop, if necessary, even to 3 decimal places. No problem for the titrate. Using it, you can titrate quickly and reliably, within the error limits of Class A. This is how it's done. Place the container of test solution under the titrating tube, turn on the titrate, and start the titration. If the approximate concentration is known, titration can proceed quickly until shortly before the endpoint. Then add the standard solution, drop by drop, until the color change. Before starting the next titration, set the display back to 0 using clear. To fill the titrate again, move the piston upwards until it stops. You are now ready to start the next titration. If the titration is started without a full refill, as shown here, the piston may reach the stop before the end point. In this case, simply raise the piston for filling. The display valve will remain fixed during the filling process. The titration can continue as usual, drop by drop, with the highest possible precision. To reduce crystal deposits and evaporation, always fill the device completely to the upper stop after titration.